Guys, I'm pretty excited. I got a planer for my birthday, and this is going to help a lot with the woodworking stuff I want to do. And I was told by my wife that it's right in front of the garage door, so when I open it, it will be right there. Okay, quick explanation of why I'm doing an unboxing for my new planer. This is part of my doing initiative. I'm going to be doing more, and this is going to be a piece of the puzzle for the woodworking projects that I'm doing this year. So I just wanted to kind of show you the new tool that I got, and it's just fun to do, right? Like, it's exciting to unbox something. I haven't seen much in regards to planers, videos on planers, so I thought I'd just do one real quick. It's not even going to be that extensive. It's just going to be showing what all's in the box. Alright, here we go. Hey. Check out the box. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. We got this off Amazon. Okay. Camera in one hand, knife in the other. This won't end badly. Never cut towards you. This is going pretty poorly. Let's find a better way. Well, it turns out there's no real better way. So we're just going to kind of go at this. Oh, yes. Brackets in here. Okay. I'm gonna put the knife away. These are sharp, extra blades.
This is going to
Hose adapter. Instructions. Wheel that you attach to raise and lower. Take it. Chew. I'm not even gonna try and lift it out of the box. I'm just gonna show you. Check it out. How big it is. We're going to clean off that table. Hi, Dinah. New day. I don't know. We're just fresh now. I got tired the other night and I couldn't figure out something. So, anywho, come see what I did. Yes, it's a mess down here, but check it out. Here's the planer, and check out the little cart I built. It's think it's a little temporary. It's just got some casters, 2x4s, little plywood on top. Put it up here. It's a little top heavy. I had no idea this thing was so heavy. 96 pounds? Is that what it says? 92 pounds, sorry. I've been planing some wood. I'm getting ready to build the sectionals. I will link to the plans that I'm using to build those. I've got some planks from the pallet that I had gathered from a dumpster. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video with me. One thing that I realized, and I ran into some issues, and you're not gonna see it on camera, but I didn't realize that the wood could get stuck on the planer here. Okay, and I'm raising it up right now. On the bed right here, I didn't know that it's good practice to wax your bed here, because you can already see like some scratches and whatnot on there. That's because I didn't wax it beforehand. But yeah, finishing paste wax, and you're supposed to just throw it on there, let it leave. Just leave it for 15 minutes and then buff it out. And after I did that, instantly everything was just super smooth, no other problems. This is a temporary solution. I'm going to show you. This is just an update. Remember, I had some goals about building some furniture and how I wanted to build a mobile workshop. This is kind of step one. This is like a prototype. So I feel like I'm, making progress on the goals. So watch me plane.